Hello coffee lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of camp coffee with the COLETTI Bozeman Percolator coffee pot. A 9-cup marvel that stands out with its no aluminum or plastic design, ensuring a toxin-free brewing experience. This stainless steel beauty is not just a coffee maker, it's a piece of classic camp kitchen equipment that promises to brew the boldest coffee, perfect for those early mornings when you need something strong. The Bozeman is incredibly easy to clean, requiring just a quick rinse after each use, making it the ideal companion for any camping adventure. With its superior percolation process, it delivers a richer, bolder coffee than any instant packet or pour-over, setting a new standard for camp coffee. Plus, COLETTI backs this percolator with a lifetime replacement guarantee, so you can brew with confidence knowing you're supported by top-notch US-based customer service. This summer, trust COLETTI to be your go-to brand for brewing great coffee anywhere your adventures take you. So, whether you're on the trail or at home, make every cup count with the COLETTI Bozeman Percolator. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.